Tete shocker coming up. My spring onions stays here. Spring onions, some shocker coming up. So once they come up, I transplant them. So I need to get the beds, containers, or the sacks ready for these plants as they mature gradually. So here's my nursery. I have some tete that is ready for transplanting, so I'll transplant them this morning. These are shocker, they're still small, so just take this and move over to. I'd already prepared the bed like a week ago. So here is bed for tete. I have one garden here growing here, so I'm planning to move it when I'm ready. It's not going to stay here, so it's just a temporary place for it. Yeah, so I prepared this bed like a week ago. Trying to level it better. I make holes. The holes are about 4 inches or 10 centimeters apart. Inside of the container you find some are still small, so it's best to take out the ones that are already big so that they can continue their growth right away, but the small ones continue to mature before you transplant it. So like that, I take it out and you can put it in the hole and just support it. So I'm doing this transplanting very early in the morning before the sun comes up, so they get a chance to stabilize. Either late in the evening or early in the morning. It's good to do the transplanting so that the sun doesn't stress them out. Alright. So these are the tallest ones. I'm going to check for more tall ones, but not as tall as those other ones. Then still transplant them. They are ready for this stage. They are ready. So the next thing is our water them. So that's my transplant completed. So here is the nursery. Is going to go back to where it was, and I can always pick out from here as they grow taller again. I pick and put in some other prepared beds. I have some other beds put them in here or that one. So as they grow older, and if you need to uproot them instead of cutting when they grow older, you can just uproot and then you replace with younger seedlings. That's the importance of having seedlings available.